Hello and welcome to another Canadian channel feature. This is a part of MBA 101 Leadership Motivation series. How can managers motivate employees to perform at the highest level of their abilities? Many researchers have tried to answer this question with a variety of theories and models. Unfortunately, no single theory can explain how to motivate all employees in every situation, but many theories do shed light on some of the key elements involved in employee motivation. One such theory of motivation is Herzberg's two-factor theory. The two-factor theory developed from data collected by Herzberg from interviews with engineers and accountants, chosen because of their profession's growing importance in the business world. If you remember Maslow's videos in which we discussed about attitudes and their connection, according to Herzberg, individuals are not content with the satisfaction of lower orders needs at work. For example, those needs associated with minimum salary levels or safe and pleasant working conditions. Rather, individuals look for gratification of higher level psychological needs having to do with achievement, recognition, responsibility, advancement, and the nature of the work itself. This appears to parallel Maslow's theory of needs hierarchy. Herzberg added a new dimension to this theory by proposing a two-factor model of motivation based on the notion that the presence of one set of job characteristics or incentives leads to worker satisfaction at work, while another and separate set of job characteristics leads to dissatisfaction at work. The two-factor theory distinguishes between motivators, which is something to do meaningful involvement in decision-making, sense of importance to an organization that gives positive satisfaction, arising from intrinsic condition of the job itself, such as recognition, achievement, or personal growth, and hygiene factors that do not give positive satisfaction or lead to higher motivation through dissatisfaction results from their absence. The term hygiene is used in the sense that these are maintenance factors. These are extrinsic to the work itself and include aspects such as company policies, supervisory practices, or wages or salaries. Herzberg often referred to hygiene factors as KETA factors, which is an acronym for kick in the ass, the process of providing incentives or threat of punishment to make something or someone do something. Now let me use an example to better explain this. Imagine you own a company and hire marketing managers. You offer good salary, vacation package, health plans. However, you provide them with an office with a roof that leaks water, desk that's made up of recycled material. In this example, you provided the employees sufficient motivation. However, the hygiene factors contributed to the employee dissatisfaction. A manager must be sure to provide sufficient hygiene factors while at the same time building satisfiers or motivators into employee jobs. In essence, hygiene factors are necessary to be sure a subordinate is not dissatisfied, and satisfiers are needed to motivate an employee to work towards a higher level of performance. Herzberg's two-factor theory contributes to our understanding of employee motivation. Managers should think about how they can both reduce employee dissatisfaction and increase the satisfaction of their workforce. Herzberg's theory does not provide a complete explanation of employee motivation, but it does offer some important insights. Now for the summary or conclusion of this video. Imagine you're preparing a peanut butter and a jam or jelly sandwich. Too much jam or jelly will make it ooze out of the bread, and too much peanut butter will cause your throat to become dry or your mouth to become sticky. Preparing this sandwich requires a perfect balance between the jam and peanut butter. Similarly, as per this theory, you need to have a perfect balance between the hygiene factors and motivators. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This would be the last video of the 15-part MBA series of the leadership section. I should have my website up where you can download notes for each video. Also, if you ever decide to create videos to help future students on any topic, I would be more than willing to collaborate or provide guidance. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or share. This is Canadian Channel signing off. Peace.